can say that it is the fault of ourselves, because now we are mature and we can get that what is good for us, what is bad for us. It is not fault of co-education, it is fault of ourselves. We are fulliness and we are silly. That's why we are taking this type of decision, because we know that our life is too precious and God has given once time. God doesn't give second time. So we should take decision with carefully and we should choose our life partner. Whatever it is, it will be happen love marriage or arranged marriage, doesn't matter. But we should choose our life partner with the sense, and we should live in limitation. I don't think that there is any demerit of co-education, but it is demerit of ourselves, and we are proving. Our generation is proving that co-education is bad because they are taking some wrong step. That's why it is proving that co-education bad, but co-education is not bad. We are a student, and if our parents is providing us to education, to get co-education, then we should prove that we are not wrong. Co-education is not wrong. We can get job, we can get friendship with any boy and girl, but we can't go in any wrong way. So it depends on ourselves. Now I wanna call my second pillar. He is a forward. So please big hand for pillar. Forward.
Respect, sir, and my dear friends, myself, Pawan. First of all, I would like to give a lovely good morning to all of you.
Same. Good
And
morning.
you know that I have got a great opportunity to be a leader, to be a membership of this group. The name of my group is Twitstar. So, first of all, I would like to especially thank Mukesh sir because he gave me opportunity to be a membership. And I would like to also thank Anchor because he announced that now my group will come. Oh my God, I have forgot that we have come in Happy New Year. So first of all, I would like to give a charming, handsome, attractive, dreamful Happy New Year to you. And I pray to God that your whatever you wish, that will be completed by God. Now, without spending my time, I would like to come on the point. You know that our topic is to tell about co-education. My group has my leader has been described that what is co-education. First of all, I would not like to spend my more and more time about co-education. But I would like to tell that today you know that this era has become very fast. You know that without education, you know this thing very well that without education our life can't be imaged. Without education we are like those animals who have not a tail. Just it can be also said, if you will think about a boys, if boys is getting education, at the same time just girls should get education, because you know that if boys are getting education, just I am taking the example of one boy. If one boy is taking education, then one boy is taking education. But if one girl is taking education, then seven boys is taking education. Because you know this thing very well that girls are considered as home minister. And if they are considered as home minister, then just you know that if they will live in home. One special thing just you can notice here that I have just mentioned that day-to-day era has become very fast.